Alright guys, holiday season is fast approaching. It is right around the corner, and before you start panicking, last minute shopping, thinking of those last minute gift ideas, let me help you out. So today I'm going to give you guys some options. I'm going to give you guys some ideas on different gifts that you can get your loved one, your friend, your family member, whatever it is. Now I try to make these gift ideas mainly for sneakerheads, but at the end of the day, it could really be for anyone. You're just going to have to watch and see if it's relevant. Now these gift ideas are going to be great for anybody, not just guys, not just girls. It can be anyone, whoever you want to gift this holiday season. All right, let's get into these gift ideas. Let's start with the first one that I put on this list, and that is a hoodie. It's pretty simple, but it's a great gift idea. Now, there's a lot of kind of specialist hoodies out there. There's a lot to choose from as well. A lot of it is inevitably going to be subjective. Whoever you're buying the gift for is predominantly who you're going to try and find this gift for, but a hoodie is a great present. So a couple tips when shopping around for a hoodie. Look for something that person is really going to like, whether it's going to match, like the specific color is going to match with their sneakers, or if it's just from a brand that sneakerhead really likes. Now the safest option is obviously going to be a really decent quality blank hoodie. Those things are just super versatile. You can pretty much give one to anybody and they'll be able to rock it and make it look super good. Now another really good gift idea, staying in the realm of clothing, is a pair of pants, specifically something that's going to go well with a lot of the sneakers that they already own. Now this idea may take a little bit more groundwork. You might have to do some research, or you might have to know the person pretty well, know what kind of sneakers they're already wearing. But if you can get a solid pair of cargo pants or a really nice pair of jeans that go well with a lot of their sneakers, they're gonna be happy. Let me interrupt the video real quick to tell you guys about today's video sponsor, HeGrooming. Finding grooming products and tools for men is pretty tough. Finding ones that are great quality, premium, and still affordable is even harder. That's where HeGrooming really helps out. They created a range of products and tools that have really changed the way I get my grooming on, so I wanted to share my experience with you. Their Sonic Facial Cleansing Brush has been a game changer for me. I use it when I'm in the shower to save time or before I shave. Couple that with the Derma Roller and my skin feels so much better. I get hardly any ingrown hairs from shaving or blemishes from clogged pores. The Smart Toothbrush is awesome, cleans my teeth really well, and has a charging dock and 60 days of battery life. All their products are super premium feeling and come with like a soft touch rubber. Even the body wash feels like next level premium, and it smells really good too. I think taking care of your grooming and skin is really important, and HeGrooming has really great premium products at an affordable price. So whether you're grabbing something as a gift for somebody else, or whether you're just going to be gifting yourself, however you want to do it, make sure you go ahead and use my discount code down in the description below, because products sell out quick. So you do want to get on top of this and get a next level jump on your grooming essentials. Now with that being said, thank you HeGrooming for sponsoring today's video, but let's get back to it. Now another really good gift idea is a sneaker shelf. Something like what I've got in the background. Now the one I have there is from IKEA, and I forget what it's specifically called, like Kallax or something. They always have crazy names on IKEA, but that kind of shelf, depending on what room the person has, depends on what size you get, but IKEA is a great place for this. If you watch a lot of sneaker YouTubers, they usually have a lot of sneaker shelves from IKEA, or just people who have sneaker shelves in general get it from IKEA. Have a lot of really cool, affordable options and stuff that just looks great with sneakers. Some other options would kind of be those little drop front boxes or those plastic boxes that you keep the sneakers in, but I'm not a huge fan of that. And sometimes if the person has a lot of pairs of sneakers and they kind of stack up, it just looks like a warehouse, and that's not something that's really my thing. Now I'm going to try and link as many of these gift ideas in the description as possible, so if you're looking for anything specific, you can find it down in the description. Here's another good gift idea, which is almost a no-brainer: a sneaker cleaning kit. Listen, if you own sneakers, you're probably gonna need a sneaker cleaning kit. It just makes the process of cleaning a pair of shoes super easy, quick, and it's all right there in this one little package. Now I don't have any affinity to any certain brand, nothing is sponsored. I don't really think there's much difference in one to the other, although I haven't tried them all out, but any kind of kit where you get a brush, you get a microfiber cloth, and you get the sneaker cleaning solution, those do perfectly. But essentially you just want something HeGrooming. It has the whole package together. You can wrap it up real nice, hand it over, and the person you're gifting it to is gonna have nice, clean sneakers. Now this next one is a really, really good gift idea. This is a handmade sneaker poster. Now as you can see in the background, actually I don't think you can see, but I'll get some B-roll footage. Essentially in the background, I've got some framed pictures of sneakers which I think look super, super cool. Now there's a lot of different places that do these, and you can really customize it, which is one of the greatest things about this gift. You can make it personal. For example, the one I have says Elbel Sneakers, my Instagram handle, and it's just perfect. It has a little YouTube sign, it has a bunch of sneakers on it, so you can really get creative using the person's name who you're going to gift it to, or whatever's relevant to the person you're gifting. Okay, this next one is going to be a real shocker to you guys. Actual sneakers. That's right, we're getting a Sneakerhead actual sneakers. This one is probably the easiest one out there, so if you're looking for something quick, simple, easy, a pair of sneakers for a Sneakerhead just makes sense. As long as you know their size and I guess what their preference is to what types of sneakers that they like, you're pretty much good to go. Now my best advice to you is to kind of throw some hints out there. You know, what kind of colors do they like? What kind of brands do they like? What kind of sneakers are they already wearing? Depending on how much you know this person, you can get quite creative. There's another thing that I got in my background: lighting, specifically room lighting. Now if we're talking about sneaker shelves, drop front boxes, or just boxes of sneakers, some decent lighting for the room is always going to be great for a Sneakerhead setup. Now you don't have to get crazy with this. In fact, you can get pretty simple. You can just get like strip lights from Amazon, which costs like next to nothing, and you could just decorate the shelf like I have in the background, or like plenty of other people do, and it's just a great option. Or you can get a little bit more fancy with it, maybe get like an RGB lamp or something like that. I will list a couple different options down in the description. Now this next one is a little bit extra, but I thought, you know, why not add it to the list? There may just be someone out there which you think this is the perfect gift. It's a hover stand. So this is something that I think is probably quite popular as a gift, and it's a little bit more specialist, like it's a little bit more kind of, you know, it's a flexing item, let's be honest. The shoe levitates, or it hovers in this stand. Now it's a really cool thing for someone who's interested in sneakers, a sneakerhead. It looks really cool. It's kind of like a subtle flex. You can put like your grail sneaker in there and have it hovering in your bedroom. It's a great option. The next one is accessories, things like socks, laces, insoles, just different accessories for sneakers or for a sneakerhead. This is a really, really easy option. This is something that, you know, is something we can always use. We can always use an extra comfy insole. We can always use an extra pair of laces for our sneakers, or of course we can always use a fresh, crispy, clean pair of socks. You know, you don't have to go the classic everyday Nike socks or Adidas socks. You can go with something a little bit more expensive, or you can go with something a little bit more specialized to what specific sneakers they have. So for example, instead of white and black socks, why don't you go for like a cream or earth tone pair? All right, last one up. I feel like I've given you guys a bunch of different options for gift ideas, and the last one I'm going to put here is experiences. So this one is massively subjective, right? I'm just talking about going out and doing something, you know, maybe book a concert, or maybe go out for a shopping day, which I think is a great option for a sneakerhead. You know, take them sneaker shopping or clothing shopping. Even better if you want to take them to a new location, maybe go to a different city and go shopping in that city for a day or something like that. You can also get really personal with it. You can write them a letter and make the whole experience something really fun and enjoyable to whoever you're gifting. But again, an experience is something that lasts forever, and that's a really good gift option. I've given you guys about 10 different options when it comes to gift ideas. A lot of these are perfect for a sneakerhead, so let me know down in the comment section, who are you trying to gift this upcoming holiday season, and let me know what you think of my list. Or hey, even better, if you've got any gift ideas that you think will add to this list, please go down there, help us all out. But that pretty much wraps it up for today's video. Thank you so much for coming through, hanging out for yet again another one. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one. But until then.